Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're holding Chainlink on Robinhood and want to move it to a more secure Arculus wallet in 2025, you're in the right place. This guide will walk you through the process step by step, making it simple and straightforward. Why bother? Well, with blockchain tech evolving rapidly, keeping your crypto in a hardware wallet like Arculus adds an extra layer of security against hacks and market volatility. Let's dive in. First things first. Make sure you have both a Robinhood account with Chainlink tokens and an Arculus wallet set up. If you haven't set up your Arculus yet, download the app and follow their quick setup guide. It's user-friendly and only takes a few minutes. Step 1. Log into your Robinhood app or website. Navigate to your portfolio, select your Chainlink tokens, and choose the Withdraw or Transfer Out option. You'll need to enter the wallet address from your Arculus wallet, so have that ready. Pro tip. Double-check the address to avoid any costly mistakes. Typos can send your assets into the void. Step 2. In your Arculus wallet app, go to the Receive section to generate a new address for Chainlink. Copy this address carefully and paste it into the Robinhood withdrawal form. Select the amount you want to transfer. Remember, there might be network fees, so factor those in. Once you're set, confirm the transaction on Robinhood. Step 3. Wait for the transfer to process. In 2025, with faster blockchain networks, this could take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Keep an eye on your Arculus wallet for confirmation notifications. Finally, once the tokens arrive, verify them in your Arculus wallet. Congrats! You've successfully transferred your Chainlink. This step not only secures your assets but also gives you full control. If you run into any issues, check the official support pages for both platforms. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Drop your questions in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe out there.